OpenAI just launched their first agentic browser and the world is talking about it. Hi, I'm Sanjeet and I'm here to walk you through how to download and how to use different use cases, pros and cons of this new browser by OpenAI called ChatGPT Atlas. Let me take you along. See how we can download ChatGPT Atlas. I logged into my Chrome, going to Google and then searching for ChatGPT Atlas. There you go. Click on the first link. The link is chatgpt.com/atlas. Currently, Atlas is only available for Mac OS, but soon it will be launching for Windows, I'm pretty sure. So if you have a Mac OS, you can just try it out. Click on download for Mac OS, and there you go. You're all sorted. I've already downloaded it, so let me show you the features there. This is something you land into. It is pretty cool. It has a little logo. If you hover over it, it kind of starts spinning. Then we have multiple modes out here, and you can do pretty much a lot of things. If you use it without an intake mode, it can do like tell me the capital of Spain, for example. Right? So it will work similar to ChatGPT and just simply have you answer your questions. But now moving forward, if you want to use it in a different way, let's go back and you click on agentic mode and say find me some article by Sam Altman. There you go. And it goes there, searches for Sam Altman blogs. So Sam Altman writes his own blogs. Let's go there. This is all the blogs from Sam Altman. You can click on Ask ChatGPT right on the corner and say, break this into points for me. If you don't want to write the entire article, it is like a pretty robust and a large article, so it can do that for you, right? I think I missed selecting the agent mode here. So you need to select the agent mode, and now let me copy and paste this. There you go. So it does the job for you, right? It goes there, searches, summarizes, and does the results for you. So this is one of the first use cases that I came across for ChatGPT Atlas. Now moving on to the next, let's say you want to buy something on Amazon, some headphones under $100, right? So click on the Ask ChatGPT button right here and say, can you find the best headphones on Amazon under $100 based on reviews, right? And you can search for agentic mode and you can click go. Now what it does is it's pretty amazing. So it scans your entire browser, goes there and starts searching for the headphones. I know it is a bit slow, but then you're multitasking and you can let it do things and you can work on something else. I think that adds a lot of value. So let's wait and let's see what it does. It's scanning kind of the screen, understanding the elements. It goes there, searches for top rated headphones in Amazon under $100. There you go. Let's see what it does. Still searching, still searching. It's opening product search tabs. It is analyzing. And I know it is really slow. I agree. But I think if we've gotten so far, we'll get further ahead as well. And this is just the beginning, I would say, for an agentic browser like this. Meanwhile, let's go and say, can you help me find the cheapest flights from San Francisco to New Delhi with one stop on, let's say, Google Flights. It does not have access to all the sites. Some sites do restrict accesses, so I think Google Flights work great there. I forgot to use agentic mode, so let me go to Google Flights. Let's go to Google Flights. Go to Google Flights, and let me say, you can also use voice mode, by the way. Let's try it out. Can you help me find the cheapest flights from San Francisco to New Delhi with one stop? So let's see how it performs. There you go. You can use voice as well. And select agent mode, go there and it will start, searching for the cheapest options there. You can add some more specifics, maybe you need a business class or maybe some airline recommendation. So you can pretty much add a lot of things there. Let's see what it does. And let's also go back to Amazon and see what Amazon is doing. So it is still identifying, it is reading the reviews and kind of focusing on what is the best review possible. So you can do a lot of different searches as well with Amazon. Let's go back. There you go. It pops up flights from San Francisco to New Delhi and says the cheapest option is probably $320, but it's still looking at the stops. This is pretty cool. It goes there and it filters first stop or forever. So yeah, you can do like multitasking pretty much day in, day out. Let's see what this is doing. It is still going, gathering information and identifying different headphones options which we can use. So that's pretty cool. I think the cheapest option is $320. Not bad. You can also do it manually, I understand. But it is more about you want to do multiple things at a certain time and you don't have a time constraint. I think this browser can definitely help. And I think with time, it will definitely improve. Now, let's move on to designing, right? Let's say, let me go to Canva parallelly while they do their job. It says displaying the cheapest option, that is $320. So yeah, there you go. This has done the job. It is confirming it is still processing, right? So let's go to Canva and say, can you create, for example, maybe New Year post for KC Consulting. KC Consulting is an organization in orange color, or let's say banner for LinkedIn. Let's try it out, what it does. And I've not even logged in. I think it will start using the free version and do the job there. It is getting started. Meanwhile, let's see what's up with the flights. Flights are already done. It says American Airlines via JFK. It cost me $320, and then another one is Virgin Atlantic, which cost you $347. Here, this is the best deal as per the agentic browser ChatGPT Atlas. So we should go for these JBuds headphones under $100, and it also has a discount on top of it. It says it has noise cancellation. It costs $53, $49. It is giving you multiple. Oh, sorry, not this one. I think it is giving you multiple options out here. It can do a lot of cool stuff. Let's see what the Canva does now. Meanwhile, let me show you the calendar. So I've integrated this with my Google Calendar, and it can say, so I don't have any meetings today. Let's see what it finds out. Can you check my calendar for any meetings today? Which says you don't have any meetings scheduled for today, right? So it is like integrated to my calendar. Whenever you ask this question, it asks you a pop-up to connect to your calendar, and you can easily do it using. I use Gmail, so it's connected to my Gmail calendar. You can also connect it to your emails, and it can help you rewrite your emails, filter out your emails, and things like that. There you go. It has created me a banner. So why it has created me an image out here? This is not actually the agent mode. I forgot to use agent mode. So you go here, you use agent mode, and you type in the same prompt using Canva. There you go. Now let's see. So this was something that was created by ChatGPT, or Sora. And now it goes there to Canva and starts doing the job. It's preparing for banner creation. And now let's observe, what it kind of does. It's a LinkedIn banner, New Year, orange. It goes there, it looks for certain design elements. Searching for templates, pretty cool. It's scrolling through the result. While the design gets ready on Canva, let's dig into data. How can we use ChatGPT Atlas to do a pretty detailed data analysis, or not detailed, but a high level data analysis, right? So I have gathered together a small kind of sheet, Excel sheet or Google sheet, I would call it. So it has this data for city, state, their population, their income slabs, average temperature, unemployment rate, and those different kind of things. So I'll just go here, delete this up, and go back to my sheet one. And I'll ask ChatGPT, can you help me find the states are the what can you call it? Can you help me find cities with population more than 5 million? Let's say. Yeah, based on this spreadsheet. Even if you don't write it, it'll still do the job when you use the agent mode. But I was just explicitly specifying it. So it's firstly it's like scans your entire screen and starts iterating or thinking about the user, starting task setup. While it does it, let's see where we are with the banner. Oh, it's creating. Look at it. It's figured out I need orange. So it goes there. Template probably didn't find any. So it starts creating a Happy New Year banner, right? You can also specify if you use the existing designs. It can do pretty much anything. So now you don't need to go there and do the job. What this does is it automatically translates the natural language and goes there, understands the command, and starts doing the job. Let's go back to our sheet. Oh, it is putting in the formula. It says filter sheet 1 A22C where C2 is greater than 50 lakh. That's pretty cool. There you go. It's almost there. It has bought out the data basis different cities and the cities which have population more than 5 million. There you go. It does the job. And you can also use it for data analysis. So I think you can do it pretty much a lot of things. You can search on Amazon, you can book flights, you can book probably movies, shows, look at your surroundings, what events are happening around, analyze data, you can correct your calendar, check your emails, and a lot more. I think this is pretty much a quick demo on how things are. And it says, look at this output from Canva. It says Happy New Year, TZ Consulting, because I mentioned that I need it for my organization. Yeah, try it out and do comment out what do you think about it, and do you think it is worth the time and effort to kind of start using and moving away from Google Chrome, or Google Chrome will still dominate. So let me know and subscribe for more detailed videos.